Hello, and welcome to the Fundamentals of Testing course. My name is Rodrigo Escutia. I am a systems engineer and hold a master's degree in project management. I have over 14 years of experience in the IT field, working across industries such as banking, insurance, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, and mobile applications. I'm really glad you're here. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of testing in a clear, practical way, based on real-world experience. The goal is that by the end of this course, you will have the knowledge needed to start pursuing a job opportunity as a QA or manual tester. You won't just learn theory, you'll understand how testing is applied in real work environments. Additionally, once you complete the course, you will gain access to extra content focused on your professional growth. You'll learn how to build an effective resume, and you'll be able to schedule 2 mock interviews with me, where I will help you improve your communication, structure your experience, and prepare for real hiring processes. I will also guide you through your job search using trusted platforms, with the goal of helping you land a job in the IT field as quickly as possible. This course is designed for real results, not just to gain knowledge, but to apply it and achieve outcomes. If you're ready, let's begin this journey. One that you will not only enjoy, but that can truly transform your professional career.